Hey guys, welcome back to Grace Gamers. Today, well, really yesterday, I turned 9. It was my birthday yesterday and I'm really happy. I got tons of gifts. But nothing stands to this gift. And if you read the title, yes, I got a mini fridge. I've wanted one of these things for years. And my auntie just got here. I think she left. No, I don't think she has, but she might have left and she got me a mini fridge and I was amazed. So let's get to showing this mini fridge then. This mini fridge is right here. Look at how beautiful that is. And she got me loads of cans and stuff inside of it. So she got me an apple juice, 2 apple juice. So right now, from this, we have 2 apple juices. Next, we have an orange juice, 2 orange juice. As we can see, 2 apple, 2 orange. Now it's time for the cans. So, it's not big cans, just wee mini cans. We got a Dr. Pepper original. We got Fruit Twist Fanta. If I get copyright, I'm going to be so sad because it's the day after my birthday. We got Fanta Lemon. 2 more now. Another Fanta Fruit Twist. And the last thing, an appetizer. I'm surprised I showed the logo on that. Well, the back logo on that. Also, I'm looking through my camera, not through the real world. So yeah, look. That's all the stuff we got. Now let's get this thing plugged in. So after that quick time lapse, we have all the stuff in. So, oh yeah, also the apple juice and orange juice are back there too, so we'll be fine. So I'm gonna lift this to the spot I want to plug it into and we'll see if it works. By the way, here's the plugs for it. We're gonna put it in my piano corner here. We've got a mini fridge. Sorry for the bad focus. We have the plug in there. Piano, guitar, and chair. See, anyway, we're going to plug this in. So, I've got this. Still looking to my camera, I'm being ready. I've got the cable, and I think it'll be quite hard to plug it in filming. So I'll plug it in and tell you guys if it worked. Guys, we've got Owen to help because I can't find out how to work this. I mean, I've plugged it in. Under here it's plugged in. And the switch is on because up here the piano is got the same type of it. And it's on. Here, headphone jacks in it. As you can see, that's working. Down here, it's the same way, those little black switches.
But
right around there. It still isn't working.
It's warm as anything.
So I'm going to go in at the back and see if the cable back here is plugged in. Oh wait, there's an on and off switch. Open, flip that for me. Oh. I can hear it buzzing. It's what? It's on. Nah, bro, other side. That is cool. That is cool. It works.
My new mini fridge works. Guys.
Yes! Please help us get to 100 subscribers. We're basically a quarter of the way there.